Charles-Edouard Jenner, better known as Le Corbusier, his career spanned 5 decades with his buildings constructed throughout Europe, India, and America. He worked on theoretical architectural studies using modern techniques, which proposed the idea of domino house. This idea proposed an open floor plan consisting of concrete slabs supported by a minimal number of thin reinforced concrete columns around the edges, with a stairway providing access to each level on one side of the floor plan. By 1926, Le Corbusier had achieved fame and success, which led him to receive commissions for large houses in affluent Paris suburbs. He was asked by Sarah and Michael Stein, which are the collectors and connoisseurs of modern painting and sculpture, to design a villa for them outside of Paris. It was constructed between 1926 to 1928. With his passion for modern painting, Michael was extremely involved in the construction of the house. He said, after having been in vanguard of the modern movement and the painting in the earlier years of the century, we are now doing the same for modern architecture. Villa Stein de Monzy applies the 5 points of architecture, which are pilotis, open floor plan, free facade, ribbon window, and roof terrace. Pilotis is to provide structural support that raise the house above the ground. Open floor plan can be achieved through the separation of the load-bearing columns from the walls, subdividing the floor space, therefore free to be configured into rooms without concern for supporting walls. Free facade is non-supporting walls that could be designed as the architect wished. Ribbon window allows an encumbered view of the large surrounding and brings light into the interior of the house all day long. Roof terrace compensate for the green area consumed by the building and replacing on the roof. Besides being decorative, the roof terrace may also give benefits such as temperature control, recreational opportunities, and in large scale it may even have ecological benefits. The facade of this house is flat and governed by a regulating plan based on the golden section, which determines the proportions and positioning of the windows. Based on the golden section, on the plane of perpendicular diagonal, on the arithmetical relationship 1, 2, 4 between horizontals. Thus, the facade is made harmonious in all its parts. The facade also accommodates symmetrical parts in vertical direction. The front facade, where the windows are symmetrical like the bottom window, and balcony at the center, the garage on the left, another window on the right, and the balcony and shed above the 2 entrances. All of these symmetrical elements differ in shape but make one symmetrical facade. The luxury volume of its rooms, that are different in form and quantity to each floor, would bother the critics who subscribe to the social dimension of modern architecture. The geometric grid of Villa Stein underpins the plan of the house, consisting of alternating broad and narrow fields. The cubical filling is broken only with oval shapes, inspired by the chimneys of the big transatlantic luxury ships. The curved wall separates the different spaces of the villa. Through its transparency, reveals the complex interplay of the indoor volumes from the ground level, therefore provoking the emotions of the viewers outside. Transparency through the horizontal windows gives the villas even more light and bring the nature and surrounding trees inside the villa.